Hello, greetings, and welcome to Software Testing Trainer training from beginner to intermediate. This would be an enriching session for you, for anyone who's trying to bud into the software testing world. So, as usual, this would be the first day of the lecture, and you will have a series of lectures where you can understand the concepts end to end and get into the thick of things in the software testing world. So let me start this session. Today's session predominantly will be introduction about myself, and then the course pedagogy and the syllabus. So let's walk on to the next slide. First, we will look at a small introduction about myself, and then we will see the syllabus, what we are going to cover and what we are not going to cover. And we would also see the course pedagogy. Day zero, this is what we are doing right now, or day one, you can take it however you feel comfortable. About me, my name Rajiv Raghuraman, Arunachalam. My career path, I have about 11 years of work experience. I've worked with global companies with roles like associate software engineer, IT analyst, systems engineer, technical test lead, operations manager, manager service delivery. And in the above path, I've got opportunities to work with global stakeholders or clients. And currently, I'm associated as a freelancer and an engineering management professional. Well, my qualifications, it includes Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Communication from India, and then I've done my master's in the areas of business with the specialization General Management with Information Technology and Engineering from US, and Doctorate of Engineering Administration from US as well. So, looking at my certifications, I've got certifications in many fields in the areas of engineering and management from reputed schools across the globe, and you can check out my LinkedIn profile. It's at the link that's specified in the presentation you are seeing currently. And I also have a freelance portal. You can check that portal as well at www.ultratechbiz.com. Well, that's about myself, a small tiny introduction. Let's move to the course details next. Okay, so looking into the pedagogy, we approximately look at this course as a 4-day course where today is the first day, and I may be adding subsequent bonus lectures down the line, but that's a bit far away. We will basically cover end to end, basic to intermediate level Linux fundamental course. We will have an optional feedback and test towards the end of the course. The prerequisite, not much. Basic education knowledge should be sufficient with a willingness to learn, although some technical background would be of great help. Let's move on to the next lecture. So the modus of teaching would be a combination of slides as resources handouts with voice-based explanation. Okay, now coming to the important juncture about the syllabus that we are going to cover. Day 0, that is today, we will be covering the self-introduction of the instructor, and then a syllabus and roadmap introduction for the course Linux Fundamentals from beginner to intermediate. And then we will have on day 1 we will cover the Linux basic fundamentals, which will form the base on top of which you can build your skills. On day 2 we will cover Linux commands. We'll have a cursory look on them. And day 3 we will look at the Linux usage and installation, followed by day 4 where you'll have a final assessment or optional. I usually plan to add bonus lectures towards the end of the uh, course, but that is a bit far away, but watch out for that section. Sometime down the line I may add some courses and lectures as well. Yeah, thank you again for your patience hearing. Let's hear back in the next session. Thanks. Bye.